okugamba ebintu barukayo results slips z'omwaka 2022 hamwe na results z'amooka omwaka 2024 ahari bakuru b'amashomero hagari mu district ya Bushenyi.
By warning you to desist from cheating. Those who are not teaching are the ones preparing for cheating.
Oguma John Baptiste chairperson wa academic committee Bushenyi acuburiro kwa beje bakoze Ebigyezo by'amooka mu mwaka 2024.
Comes 2024 division 1, we had candidates 378 who have come up with a percent of 7.6% from 900, from 9.3%. That there is a decline. When you come to you, 780 candidates scored.
Oguma John Baptiste agarukire yagira ngo mu district ya Bushenyi town council ya Kyamuhunga niye sindire kandi ngugumbura he ya Kyamuhunga niye shembere mu results z'amooka mu mwaka 2024.
Best sub county in 2023 was Kyamuhunga town council. The worst was Nigo. For this year, the best is still Kyamuhunga town council. And the worst is Kyamuhunga sub-county.
Mbasa Michael, inspector of schools Bushenyi district ashoborengamwe amashomero ntigateka bejo mu classes bako batashemerire wanyuma yo kushanga ngo bamwe ahabeje bashandire batari kumanya no kuhandika amazina gabo mu bigezo by'amooka mu mwaka 2024.
I've also noted a few things that some P7 candidates maybe half baked or they are promoted when they are not really ready for that class. Because at P7 level, the pupil failed to write his or her name. That one brings in a lot of questions.
Fiona Sanyu Olkawo wa Bushenyi wayerekera utashemerwa wanyuma yo kugumana ashanga bakuru b'amashomero batari mu mashomero mu bwiru wabire narambura mu mashomero aga ngo kandi takahereze na myeze ibiro mu district age.
For the few areas I have been to, there is no school I have gone to and I found a head teacher. In secondary and primary standards, the first few days I didn't move with you, but that was the situation. And to my dismay, the issue of delegation equally is something I noted from the word go.
William Mahabwa hagizire ngo we na mukuru w'ishomero rukumanya ngo abeje beto barashitamira Ebigyezo by'amooka ngo naje kubuzwa kana na katano.
We have 143 absentees. Last year we talked about absentees and we have maintained a habit of registering P6 candidates, P6 pupils. Now how do you miss more?
Fiona Sanyu hagarukire yashaba bakuru b'amashomero kuba bakarebi ahagwa projects za government zone zikubana zikorwa mu mashomero gabo ngo hakuba hagire cyashoba no barabuzwe kana na katano.
It's about projects that are running in your schools. There are projects that have been completed. There are other projects that are yet to be constructed. For some of these projects, you either act as a whistleblower, you act as the owner of the project, or as an investigator. Things go wrong, know that you are answering.
Gasha kwa Olivia na Sasro mu Bushenyi ahagwa Sky TV agenshonga.